Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the very top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose: HD, FHD, and also the UHD option. We've got 2 different FHDs. It is because the only difference actually is in the frame rate. So basically all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick this one, and as you can see, the icon changed slightly. So right now you can check that we've got the Ultra HD option applied, so it means that your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.